3.4 is process essay, the purpose of the process essay. The purpose is to explain how to do something, directional, or how something works, informative. As with other rhetorical writing modes, it is best to choose a process that you know well, so that you can more easily describe the finer details about each step in the process. If you are writing a directional essay, you should provide every detail necessary for your reader to complete the process. If you are writing an instructional essay, your body paragraph should explain the process and how it works, although you should not expect your reader to be actually performing the process. So, we have two different ways to approach a process essay. But regardless, you will still need to use time-transitioned phrases to help organize steps in the process and to orient your readers. The conclusion should thoroughly describe the result of the process described in the body paragraphs. Like narration, process presents events in chronological order. This is how you structure a process essay. Like other essays, a process generally consists of 3 sections. You have an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. Within your introduction, you are going to identify the process and indicate why and under what circumstances it is performed. This section may also include information about materials or preliminary preparations, or it may present an overview of the process, perhaps even listing its major stages. Developing a thesis statement for a process essay. Both directional essays and instructional essays can be written either to persuade or simply to present information. Planning a process essay. Your primary goal is to explain the process accurately. This means you need to distinguish between what usually or always happens and what occasionally or rarely happens between necessary steps and optional ones. Next, you're going to want to accommodate your audience, keep your readers in mind. When necessary, explain the reasons for performing these steps. Describe unfamiliar materials or equipment, define terms, and warn readers about possible problems that may occur during the process. Next, give a clear and consistent discussion without ambiguities or digressions. Avoid unnecessary shifts in tense, person, voice, and mood. Also, do not omit articles, your a, your and. Ensure the discussion moves smoothly, like an essay, not abruptly, like a cookbook. Body. Each body paragraph generally treats one major stage of the process. These steps are presented in chronological order, interrupted only for essential definitions, explanations, or cautions. Every step must be included and must appear in its proper place. Conclusion. A short process essay may not need a formal conclusion. However, a conclusion may reinforce the thesis by summarizing the results of the process or explaining its significance.